What's up, guys? I'm back here, King Bling, back for another video. Clans. We're actually going to be playing Subway Surfers. Just waiting for it to load. Yeah, I know. People, when you look at the dates, you might notice, like, I made all of these in the same day. Well, there's really nothing else to do. Well, I'm sorry if I'm, like, annoyed you or something, but there's really nothing to do. So, hope you enjoy this video, Subway Surfers. And if you want to see me play more Subway Surfers, like unlocking characters and stuff like that, just say it in the comments below. That was really close. As you can see, my score was like 9,000 or so. But I just started this game back again. It used to be something like 3,008,000, something like that. I'm probably going to be using my keys. My mom pretty much just ruined my day. Made me go outside just looking like a random poor person. If you know what I mean. If you don't know what I feel like, this is how I feel. I feel like she wants me to go outside and to look embarrassed in front of everyone who's out there dressed up and having fun while I'm playing with like a whole bunch of girls in raggedy clothes. That's how I pretty much feel. I feel my feelings are abandoned. So she really ticked me off. That's why I sound like I'm more sleepy now. Like I just woke up. I'm pretty devastated. I do not want to go back outside at all. That's also why I'm not talking as more was in those other videos today. gosh, that's the end of that round. See what comes. I can now get my the ninja that they popped up. They want me to get the ninja. Still don't have enough. Let's look at somebody. Now for the second round. Well, I decided I'm gonna end this video a little early, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So Subway Surfers, if you want me to play more of this, then say it in the link below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.